Hi there. May is Mental Health Month, and I have a small suggestion for mental health. So often, when people are going through mental issues, there is a feeling of being alone, being isolated. So it's very important to build one's support system before crisis steps in, before we actually need it, so that when you're in crisis, when I'm in crisis, I have that support system. I have people that I can reach out to. I do have that. However, I have found at times if I'm so down that I don't even have whatever it takes to reach out to my support system, that I still can be prepared to support myself. And first of all, I have to say prayer is huge for me, just praying. However, I'll say again, I have had times when I felt like I couldn't even pray because I've been that distressed, and that's, it's not a good thing, but it's true. So the tip that I have, and it's something that I have done and I have used, is to take a recorder. A lot of the smartphones, if you have one, has a lot of them have a built-in recorder, and prepare scripture, prayers, words of encouragement, affirmations, things that will lift you up, so that when you're feeling anxious or you feel like you can't reach out to anyone and you're just so overwhelmed, you hit play and you listen to that. You bathe yourself in your own words of encouragement. I write out my affirmations ahead of time, what I'd like to focus on, and as well as my scripture, and then I record it with some soft music playing in the background. So there you have it. That's one tip for mental health.